Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be installing a wig from Cynosure hair. I'll be installing a 13x4 613 frontal wig. The density of the wig is 220. This is what the wig looks like straight out the package. The hairline was pre-plucked, but the knots in the back of the wig were pretty big, so it was hard for me to pluck them. And this is what the wig looks like after I finished plucking it. I didn't pluck it as much as I wanted to, being that the knots were big. The first step before installing the wig would be to place makeup on the inside of your lace. Before actually placing the glue down on my client, I always make a dotted line across their hairline so I can know exactly where to place the glue. Before actually placing the glue down, make sure to clean your client's forehead. Use skin protectant and then apply the glue. When placing the lace down into the glue, make sure that you're stretching the lace so it won't leave any bumps after placing the lace down. If there are any parts of the lace that didn't have any glue applied to it, you can always go in afterwards and apply the glue and lay the lace down. Now I'm just doing the same thing across the whole hairline before styling the baby hairs. I started to curl all my baby hairs before swooping them because it makes it easier to get the shape. Now I'm just using my curling iron and giving my client some big wand curls. To give the curls a longer hold, I did use Cream of Nature Silken and Mist, I believe it's called. I think I'll be showing a video of what it looks like, but that's what I use to have the curls hold longer. So I took off my client's wrap strips and the baby hairs weren't what I wanted them to be. So I had to comb them out and use got2b gel to swoop them back in place. And you guys are going to see in the next clip how that came out. As you can see, the baby hairs came out very straight. I'm not sure why, but I wanted it to have more of a C shape to it instead of looking so straight. After I finished blow drying all the baby hairs, I used my blow dryer on high heat and blow dried them. Then I used my angle brush and the makeup closest to my client and outlined the part. I really didn't like the outcome of this install, so the next day we decided to straighten the hair and give it a blunt cut. Let me know which one you guys like better in the comments. And this is the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.